Hi there, welcome to our Home Tools Pro channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, do all Brad Nailres need air compressors? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. A Brad Nailres is a powerful tool that is used to drive nails into wood powered by different fuel sources. It is similar to a hammer, but it has a cylindrical chamber that holds nails. There are many different types of Brad Nailres, so do all Brad Nailres need air compressors? The answer is no. Some Brad Nailres are powered by electricity and gas, so they do not require an air compressor. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. The types of Brad Nailres based on the power source. Number 2. How to select the best type of Brad Nailres for domestic use. Number 3. What is the best type of Brad Nailres for minor projects? And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out HomeToolsPro.com.